Welcome, everybody, to a very special day for the Raiders and the city of Las Vegas. The Raiders will be playing for the first time in their very own home, beautiful Allegiant Stadium, against the Saints, who come marching in from the city of New Orleans. Las Vegas is officially an NFL city, something I never dreamed that I would someday be saying.
Let's go. Hey, they fully expect to come in here and kick the crap out of us. All right, punch them in the mouth all day. All right, let's get this win. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
The only negative about tonight is that you cannot be with us. But when you are allowed inside beautiful Allegiant Stadium, I guarantee you will love the new home of your Las Vegas Raiders.
Hey, what's up, baby? Love you, bro. Hey, man. Y'all do your thing. You know what time it is? Man. Yeah. I can't wait. Come on. Love you too. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Take the field, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Today one of them days.
Let's go. Bring that juice today.
Bring it in tight. Hey, we all we got, baby.
We all we need.
That's all we got right here, all right? You're going to get everything out of me. I tell you every time. Get all of it from me, all right? Give me everything you got and let's see what happens. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Today is about us, bro. Today is about us. Let's go.
Hey, dogs on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dog. Hey, dominate these dudes, all right? I'm going to throw it up to you. Hey, win every rep.
I'm legendary right here. It's legendary right here.
And National Football League play is underway from Las Vegas.
And it will be the defense trotting on to the field.
Defense, let's go.
First play from scrimmage. Give it to Deontay Harris. Sweeping around end. First down yardage on 3rd and 3. Here's Breeze throwing. Big hit across the middle.
It's a big stop by the
Raiders. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Hank.
You know Sean Payton's going to come out with a plan, but you force a field goal.
Boys, keep working. Keep working. Keep working. I'm going to get to one for y'all right now.
We take a look at Derek Carr and the Las Vegas Raiders offense. Get 10. Still need another 13, and it's going to bring up 4th down, and the Raiders offense will jog off the field.
Be good. Come on.
Now the Saints will come back.
That's Josh Hill in motion. Here's Kamara, and he will skip into the end zone. Touchdown, Saints.
Y'all good, bro. Come on. Come on. Y'all good, bro.
Here we go. Come on. Let's go. We got everything we want.
Let's go, D.
We got all the things we want. Don't worry about it.
It is all New Orleans here in Las Vegas.
Here we go. Oh, we got to go right down. We got to go right down. Let's go.
Raiders got to get something going offensively.
Hey, kill. Kill. 180, something. Reverse.
Go for it. And it's Waller out of the backfield. He's got the first down.
Let's go, get set. 180, something.
In motion.
Oh, yeah.
A throw for it, and a wide open Alec Ingold.
Good call. Great job.
For the touchdown.
First touchdown in Las
Good
Vegas for the Raiders, and they have closed to within 3.
Here's Breeze to throw at the goal line. Touchdown for the Saints.
Run it back. 180. Set.
Here's Carr to throw. And some speed from Nelson Aguilar. And that's 8 straight completions with Derek Carr.
180. Set.
Late pressure from the Saints. It's picked up nicely. That allows Hunter Renfrow to find a seam in the middle of the field.
Hey.
I step back in there.
180. Set.
Here's Carr. Take a shot. Why wouldn't you? And it is caught. And it is a touchdown. Zay Jones.
Hey, let me get some. Hey. Who told you, brother?
Yes, sir.
Who told you? Look at us. Good job. You don't got to worry about nothing else. You got everything you need right there. Go end the freaking game for us. Come on.
Right? He's coming.
Not yet. Here's Breeze.
Oh, yes.
It's picked off. Nicholas Morrow for Las Vegas. Right, tie the game up. And he has. And zeros on the clock. And that'll do it for the half.
What a great job by John Gruden and the Raider offense in that second quarter to get back into this game.
And the Raiders will start.
Proud of you guys, man. Finish. Let's go. Proud of you. Huh? A little adversity this week, huh? 180.
Carr has his man, Foster Morrow, and the Raiders are in business.
Good fake, brother. Appreciate it.
Here's first and goal. On the ground, a stutter step by Jacobs. And he's inside the 5, and they're carrying him all the way down to the 2.
Hey, huddle.
John does not hesitate. He's going for it on 4th down.
Here's Carr. Looking to throw for it. Waller is all by himself. Another score.
Oh, my dog. Yeah.
His 3rd and 10.
180.
Got it off in time. Toss play over to the Raiders. Jalen Richard this time. And he got a first down.
Yeah.
How about that? How about Jalen Richard? How about that? In the tightrope.
Hey, Jalen.
What a play call. And now, this is a 2-touchdown lead.
Hey, my dog.
The Raiders expand on their lead.
4 minutes left, fellas. 2-score game. Come on.
As time and underneath Kamara across the 5 to the 3-yard line.
Hey,
It's
hey,
first down
hey,
and goal.
We get this ball
for
with
the
us.
Saints.
Hey, we don't give it back. We don't give it back. Hey, we don't give this ball back. All right?
Again, with only one timeout. Kamara into the end zone. There's some urgency. Touchdown, New Orleans.
Hey, Corey, catch everybody's breath. Catch everybody's breath. We should not give them the ball back, but if we do, make them catch their breath and be ready for that. Yeah. Win, no matter what, win.
First down, so
Win.
important in this situation. Here comes Jacobs behind angle. Good block, 20, 25. First down and more. Out to the 31. What a great run that was by Jacobs on first down.
Pitch it back to Jacobs. John Gruden's going to go for a field goal here.
4-yarder last week. Let's win again.
We got to win.
This to put it away. Here comes your 55-yarder. On its way.
Got it.
Yeah, baby. Vegas is going to win its first game in Allegiant Stadium.
Daniel, hey.
I told y'all we gonna start the world, cuz. Let's go.
Raiders!
Let's get it.
That's all I got to say.
Yeah, Raiders. Let's go, Raider Nation. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.